What's up? So, today we are doing V8 fusion poured into a glass with, we're going to dip the chip in it, and he's going to eat it.
It must say that's enough.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, go foul my mouth.
Hey, you didn't get me on there, did you, when I walked by?
I don't think so. If I did, it was probably just, I can probably edit it out. What's it taste like?
Something very nasty.
Okay. Peace out, people of YouTube.